In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the data you need to grow your online business. So you go from this to this really quickly. Hi, I'm Mark Thompson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take your data from Google Analytics and make it visual. So for example, in this one here, this is my acquisition data. Now I've got to dive down to find conversions, where stuff's coming from, etc. Okay, this is the exact same report. My goal completions are at the top where I can see it. My bounce rates at the top. I can see the traffic sources. I'm getting data I can work with. As another very quick overview, here is our behavior report. So this is what people do when they get to the site. We can see here the pages that they go to, or we can go and look at this one here. Once again, we can see the pages they go to, which are the popular pages. What's the title of those pages? If we have content groups, we can see which content group is getting more traffic. So you could have articles on analytics, you could have articles on affiliate marketing, you could have articles on email marketing, and you would see which ones are getting the results for you. You can break it down into device, channels, regions, continents, whatever, and then you can see like a bounce rate here, time on page. For desktop, if we compare that to mobile, we'll see our desktop traffic is much better than our mobile traffic. Okay, so how do you do this? This is incredibly easy to do. What you do is you go to Google Data Studio, which is datastudio.google.com, and you go to the template gallery. I wouldn't suggest creating your own report just yet. You need a degree in serious data science to do that. And for example, we want analytics. Okay, we pick the analytics report that we want. This will be our audience. So we click that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use this chart for our own site. So what we need to do is change the data. So we clone it. So we'll make a copy of it, click the little button at the top there, and we drop down and we find our data. Okay, I'm a little bit disorganized, so all my sites are called website data. So we're going to create a new data source. We're going to go to Google Analytics. We're going to find our site. Okay, we're going to go all website data, and then we're going to connect it. We've got the data there, and we're simply going to add to report. We're not going to change anything. And now we can copy this report. Now we have all our audience overview ready for us to use. We're just going to change the name so we know what it is. Change the title. Okay. And click view. We now have this report in our account and it's there for us to view every day if we wanted to. So we can see here now my language is primarily English US, which is what we want. Where our traffic's coming from. Okay, the languages there, continents, the devices people are using, okay, mobile and desktop. How many new visitors we've got versus returning visitors. So I now know, just looking at this, that 81% are new visitors, which is good. Okay, so I always try to get over 80% new visitors. It means the site's growing. We've got number of users, new users, sessions per users, data that we can use to grow our business. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Check the description below. You will find I've provided a link to our free community where you can come and we can help you grow your business. Completely free. It's called the Foundation. Bye.